Welcome to Zidco ERP's Finance and Accounting module. Finance transformed. Total control. Smarter planning. Sustainable growth. Zidco ERP gives you real-time financial dashboards with compliance built into every transaction. Track your cash flow, revenue, expenses, and profitability all in one place. Define, allocate, and monitor budgets with accuracy, aligning financial goals with business priorities. Maintain accurate records of fixed assets, track depreciation, and optimize utilization. Control cash flows effectively by managing accounts receivable and payables in one unified system. Generate instant financial reports, stay audit ready, and ensure compliance at every stage. AI Copilot assists, agentic AI systems, generative AI plus ERP integration, self-adaptive ERP. Gain real-time visibility, ensure budget accuracy, and optimize assets with Zidco ERP Finance and Accounting. Zidco ERP Finance and Accounting. Smarter control, stronger growth. Book your demo today.